So this is just me cutting out a block of styrofoam to kind of give this thing some shape. Cutting off the sides. Cutting into the brickwork. So I'm just making edge cuts so I can put my pencil into it. Adding the grooves and making the detail come out. Making it flat, it wasn't very flat, so I did that. And then I added a tinfoil ball to it and just made the textures of stone texture all the way around and on top of the piece. Then I'm adding in different ruins on the side. Give it a little bit more of a darker look, make it more gothic. Or I guess an evil look. And we're gluing it onto another piece of styrofoam. Smaller piece, cutting it to shape, just freehand cutting. Do that to all four sides, adding stone texture to the sides as well. And we're adding small pieces on top. So we're cutting out small pieces of EVA foam and gluing them to the top. And adding on the other two pieces, adding stone texture, and giving it a black base coat. Just normal black acrylic, or not acrylic, but craft paint. Just sped it up here so you get to see me do all of it. But adding a base coat is going to make the details pop out more, and if you miss a spot, then it's going to be black. So you could say it's dirty. It just kind of saves you in the long run and takes away that pink color way easier. Then we brushed it with not a dry brush, but like a light brush of gray to kind of give it more detail and just give it the stony look. So we did that all around the piece. Continuing to do, and then we hit it with a white brush, a white dry brush. This was actually a dry brush, and it's just to kind of give the details and textures to come out a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video and have a great rest of your day. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Minecrafts, and today I'm going to show you how I made this small altar or sacrificial table, whatever you want to call it, out of EVA foam. And I'm also starting a new series, and this series is called 10-Minute Craft. And what that basically means is I want to make things into small little videos that you can like copy and make in like 10 minutes. So if you're like, oh, I have a session tomorrow and I really need this, well, this is going to kind of help you figure that out. So that's going to be this new series that I'm going to be making. I'm going to be uploading to that a lot on top of what I already do, which is making cool big stuff. But I think doing something like this would be a good change up for the channel and kind of help it out. So if you enjoyed this small little video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.